Iwe bi back in the Quamono, man, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu court. Oje court, Agwamona, Aquasuna. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu yapata, mana you will not expect the Nigerian government with their pride and with their arrogance and with the sum of Ndigbo now support in that place that they are in power and the people benefiting from it and the people who doesn't want the goodwill of Ndigbo, because no one was also educated Ndigbo to ransom Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Hamana happier Ndigbo and we go upper hand to do and say things, because no get out the knocker Igbo nolo. And some of the bad eggs no one Ndigbo are benefiting from it. Agwamono si unu na check Mazi Nnamdi Kanu keje court to Swiss stamp him. They will not do it. They will not do it. They will not. They will not do it. But with the sources on ground and with the things my ear are hearing and my eyes are seeing, I keep saying it. In Jikula is that in Amboso Yeme, you guys should come back to these videos and also rebroadcast it and share it. Because this one was done in September. Date start September 2025. A day after Mazi Nnamdi Kanu court about his medical issue. Nigerian government are happy like that. Unofukisi yeme nke Simon Ekpa na obodo Igbo eme carry out judgment onye ọbụla naba. They faced another thing. Mana nke ndị ba eji na pompu ego na-eme nke ọzọ ka ego wee nwee ike gịnị na-flow. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will come out. People will be surprised that they are seeing breaking news that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu apatago, that his people and the lawyers have been called to come and and we are letting him go. Before then, what could have happened? Before then, what would have happened? Medical treatment, medical car is not strong, physically strong. All those things. I'm on Bembuzo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu health issues. I talked about his hidden health issues. And I will keep saying it again and again. For the last night, I want to custody say lie. Because he get the court procedure yesterday, has to get that they have the medical equipment to make sure they take care of him. What will not happen on Baya Happy? They will leave him in a state of odendo, not physically but internally. So that opportunities that he will not be physically strong enough to do the giri. That is when somebody that will lead Ndigbo to the promised land will arise. So don't worry. But that's not the story for today. But when it keeps playing out, Unehafia, and then this video of the court outcome of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Kwenu.
My name is Honorable Obi Agocha. I know whom I am not. I have South Florida constituency, the National Assembly. I am the primary representative of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We're very disappointed in the ruling of the court today, where especially the court took a position that the extraordinary rendition was not going to be part of the consideration today. But he, however, to be fair to him, said if we can prove that there were extraordinary rendition, then that would change his consideration. So we are coming back. I've been assured by the lawyers that they are coming back to show that proof. One, the issue of jurisdiction. We will now know whether this court has jurisdiction or not. That's number one. Then number two, there seems, I keep saying it, there seems to be two sets of rules in this country. One for the Igbo man and the other one for every other Nigerian. Where every other Nigerian gets a reprieve, the Igbo man would not get a reprieve. You look at even the issue of the health situation of our brother. There have been many circumstances where people have been given opportunities to go and seek medical care, yet Nnamdi Kanu is denied. Even the president At every consideration, the president goes overseas to take care of himself. He doesn't even subject himself to Nigerian medical attention. So it is very wrong for them to deny Nnamdi, who the doctors have laid clear evidences that he's having insufficiencies, organ insufficiencies. And what is the government waiting for? For him to die? And then the circumstances will now be brought up again? So, but for the Igbos, I'm more disappointed with the Igbos. The political leadership of the Igboland, the spiritual and otherwise concerned, are keeping quiet, extraordinarily quiet, on the issue of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Especially when it is shown that when it concerns to others, especially in the north, the government is negotiating with terrorists, non-terrorists, dressed up with guns and various ammunition, and yet they have not proved that Nnamdi Kanu is a terrorist. So it is up for Igbos to now rise up to ensure that we come in total defense of our brother and ensure that, especially in the administration of criminal justice, that he is not being marginalized. So Igbos should rise up for once and to say that all the spectacle, that enough is enough.
Well, excuse me. Nigerian Medical Council, now listen, the Nigerian Medical Council, you people examined Mazi Nnamdi Kanu on, that was 3 days ago.
Yes.
And the report will have it, where you people said that the report given by IHH did not even capture the entire health condition of Nnamdi Kanu. You discovered more. That you people should not doctor that report, because court has ordered that you people should bring that report to court. We know what is happening in Nigeria, because now that it involves Nnamdi Kanu and the Igbos, they may force you people or may intimidate you people, because learn that DSSS are even trying to intimidate eminent Professor Emeritus, Professor IHH, who has been a Prophet College of Medicine, University of Nigeria, who has been a dean. Then his medical record is here, and somebody that is not even a consultant is questioning the report given by IHH. Now the team you people constituted met Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that was 3 days ago, and the DSSS, and Nnamdi Kanu subjected himself. We have that report. That report, as you have it, provide it in court. Having said that, now what gave rise to this particular issue of medical council is the petition I personally submitted against Dr. Mohammed Nasiru from DSSS, the doctor that never examined Nnamdi Kanu, but he decided to depose falsely on oath. 37 paragraph affidavit. I submitted that petition. It was on that basis that Attorney General ordered the medical council to constitute a different board. We have been following it up, and that petition must be heard. And the Dr. Nasiru should be, with his license as a medical doctor, if he is, should be withdrawn. Barrister Maxwell Upper PhD is submitting. It should be there. Just like what Honorable said, I'm highly disappointed to my fellow Igbo people.
Oh my God.
Nnamdi Kanu is suffering this because he's an Igbo.
Yes.
We must say it.
Yes.
Had it been that Nnamdi Kanu is from the north or from the southwest, you wouldn't have been there by now. And everybody's keeping quiet. Both the religious leaders, both the political leaders, both those in diaspora. Nothing is happening. You feel that you see Nnamdi Kanu that is existing. I'm highly disappointed. So this the judge said that he's not aware.
It is despicable. We take a serious exception to the fact that the doctor that examined Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, emeritus professor of medicine, well renowned all over the world, that someone from the government side reported him to the Nigerian Medical Association, and he was summoned to Lagos to face a panel, all because he returned the truthful diagnosis on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So this persecution knows no bounds. We are wondering when they are going to come after the lawyers as well. They are now going after the doctors. The idea that the primary physician for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu chosen by him is being intimidated by the government is despicable. The primary goal of everybody should be the health condition of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Not intimidation of anybody that brings the truth before the authorities. The doctor is a witness of truth, and on that truth we shall stand.
We are going to bring a formal application. We are going to attach all the whole judgments given by even Kenya. The country said that yes, our country did not do well. Now Malami is now, he has turned activist. The Malami that comes in, he has turned activist. He's now in opposition. As you are doing anything, remember that you cannot be in government forever.
Yes,
tomorrow.
yes.
That's my message to you. Thank you. I want to